Welcome. In this episode, we will be building part 5-38 exhaust steam pipe connection for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. Let's get building. Welcome to G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode, we will be building part 5-38, exhaust steam pipe connection for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. Let's go File, New, Part MMGS, Save, 5-38, 38, exhaust steam pipe connection. Let's go to front, sketch. We're going to start with the, should that right, that's fine. We're going to go a center line. Going to go through there. In fact, I might just put those two together. Makes no difference. I think it just looks neat, I think. And then we got a line, which we're going to go from there, up, across, down, and across, I believe. Yes, it is. Okay, so this is going to be 5 mil. This is going to be 14 mil. This is going to be from there to there will be C8. That's not far off, actually. From that point is going to be 25, no, 25, thank you. And that one will be 18. 18. I know it took a little bit longer. And that's all we need, right? Yes, it is. Okay, so we go, oh, excuse me. Yeah, thank you. Exit. Revolve base boss or boss base. Around the correct one, perfect, and done. There we go. Now, there's no thread. Yes, there is thread, and that's inside there. Okay. Let's do that one now. Hole, thread. That's the 18. Yes. I've got 10 there. 18 by 1.25. That's the smallest we got. It's going to be from there up to one, thank you, there, and done. Maybe not. Extrude? Yeah, I think extrude. There we go. We need to trim that one off. Like any good workshop, you're going to have some slag left over. Sounds good to me. Okay, let me just, oh, hold on, what the hell? Oh, that one. Let's do that one. Extrude. Nope. Going the wrong way. You want to go that way. And done. There we go. Makes no difference what size it's done, as long as it covers that part then doesn't take out anything important. So we got normal to exercise, sketch, no exercise. Okay, we want to do a circle this time. We've got 4 holes. We're going to do a little bit different than this one. We're going to do a circle. It's going to be structured. And that's going to be a dimension of 32. 32. Now we want circles. One there. One there. One there. And one there. So we've done before, we did a cross with the construction. Now we're doing a circle. Pretty much doing this, it does the same thing. And that's going to be 3 mil. Get our sketch. Get our stain sketch. Get our dimension. So highlight these 4. Oh, that's a big one. And go equal. There we go. Everything's locked in. So I clicked on that point there, which locked it up in that one there. So that's the main you're doing the circle. One measurement, and then you just lock it up on it. Okay, so feature, extrude, through all and done. There we go. Now we need to add thread on that. Actually, no, it's not a thread. Oh, no, there's no thread on that one. Sorry, it's just thread inside. Yes. Okay. Nope, there's no thread on that one. So the bolt goes through and threads into something else. All right, that's done. Cool. All right, that's part 5-38. Exhaust steam pipe connection done for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. Thank you for coming along. Hope you enjoyed the episode. Click like button, comment, subscribe. I'll see you next episode. Remember, keep building.